can now create mind-blowing AI commercials like this in just a few minutes, from product photography to a full-blown AI video ad. In this workflow, we start by using a brand logo and a carefully crafted prompt to generate premium product photography for this Lovart soda. Next, we transform that product image into a stunning, high-impact poster. And finally, we convert that poster into a cinematic AI video commercial, all inside one single workflow in just minutes. Using the exact same process, we also created a video commercial for the Lovart Crunch product and another one for Lovart coconut water. All these posters and AI video commercials were generated using the first AI design agent and AI design partner, Lovart. In this video tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to create these visuals yourself, from prompt to image, poster, and video. To get started, simply visit lovart.ai. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. If you're visiting Lovart for the first time, simply sign up and log in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on the Lovart Canvas interface. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can generate images, refine them using text edit or edit elements, and build complete visual workflows. We'll explore those advanced editing features later in this tutorial. For now, let's first go to the home dashboard. Click on the profile icon in the top left corner and then select Home. As mentioned earlier, Lovart is not just an image or video generator. It's the first AI design agent built to handle real design work. Using Lovart, you can create complete branding assets, logos, posters, ad creatives. You can design detailed illustrations like these, build UI layouts, create character designs, generate videos and storyboards, design products, and much more, all inside one unified canvas. Now let's take a real-world example. Assume you only have a brand logo, like this Lovart logo, and you want to design a refreshing soda product photography using just that logo. All you need to do is upload the brand logo here. Once the logo is successfully uploaded, enter a simple instruction like this. Create an ultra-premium, high-energy soda can product render that feels like a global beverage brand, featuring a tall, slim aluminum can with rich metallic depth, a vibrant orange soda base color with dynamic gradients. Here's the full prompt instruction you need to enter. After entering the prompt, simply hit the send button. Lovart will instantly create a new project and open a fresh creative AI canvas. You can actually see Lovart thinking through the instruction, just like a real product designer would. After that, it begins executing the idea and generating the product image. This takes only a few seconds, and boom, the product photography is ready. Just look at this result. We only provided a logo and a text prompt, yet Lovart delivered a fully polished, advertising-ready soda can product photograph with realistic lighting, depth, surface details, and a premium commercial finish. The product photography already looks amazing, but let's say we want to make it even cleaner and more professional by changing the background to a solid white. To do this, we'll use Lovart's Touch Edit feature. Simply hold Ctrl and click directly on the image. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll notice that the selected area is now active. Now just enter this instruction, change the background of the image to a solid white, and hit send. Lovart will start thinking again, and just like a real designer, it processes the instruction before executing it. Within a few seconds, bingo! The background is now updated to a clean white. This instantly makes the product look more professional and studio ready. Next, let's say we want to edit the text on the product itself. For this, we'll use Lovart's text edit feature. Click on the generated image, then select the edit text option. Lovart will automatically extract all the text from the image. As you can see, it has detected the tagline that says creativity carbonated. Now let's change this tagline to AI-inspired refreshment. Once done, click on Apply Edits. Lovart will begin editing the text while preserving the original style, and within a few seconds, bingo! Here's the updated image with the new tagline perfectly integrated. You can also use the Edit Elements feature to modify individual objects, layouts, or design components. We'll explore that in detail later in this tutorial. For now, let's move to the final enhancement step. Click on the upscale option. Here, you can upscale the image all the way up to 8K resolution. simply choose the desired resolution and start the upscale process. Again, this takes just a few seconds, and boom, here's the ultra high resolution version of our product image. If you want to download it, you can do that directly from here. So now our product photography is fully ready, clean, polished, and high resolution. Next, let's take this image and turn it into a stunning poster design using Lovart. To do this again, click on the image to select it and make it active on the canvas. Next, upload your model image. Once the model image is successfully uploaded, enter this instruction prompt. Create a high-end photorealistic cinematic advertisement using the uploaded product image exactly as it is. The product must remain untouched. No resizing, rotation, distortion, or visual modification of any kind. Here's the full prompt you can use. After entering the complete prompt, simply hit the send button. Once again, Lovart starts thinking just like a real poster designer planning composition, lighting, environment, and storytelling. Within a few seconds, bingo, our product poster is ready. Look at this result. The product remains perfectly intact, yet it's seamlessly placed into a cinematic, lifestyle-driven scene that feels like a real-world commercial shot, not an AI-generated image. Now simply click on the image to select it. Let's use Lovart's Quick Edit feature. In the Quick Edit input, enter this instruction. Add an aeroplane with the same branding in the sky. Run the Quick Edit. Lovart instantly activates its quick editing workflow, and within a few seconds, bingo! Here's the updated image. You can now see an aeroplane added to the sky, perfectly matching the same brand identity, colors, and style. That level of branding consistency is honestly impressive. So now our final product poster is ready. Next, it's time to transform this static poster into a viral AI product commercial video. To do this, click on the video generator option available in the right sidebar, then click on Start Frame. Here you have two options. You can upload the poster image directly from your computer, or you can use Lovart's Select from Canvas feature. We'll use Select from Canvas and simply click on the poster image. You can see the poster is now selected as the start frame. Now enter this prompt instruction, animate the scene with natural, lifelike motion. The model maintains warm eye contact with the camera and smiles subtly while smoothly moving the uploaded product a little closer to the viewer. Here's the complete prompt you need to use. Once you paste the full prompt, hit the send button, and once again, Lovart starts doing its magic. Within a few seconds, bingo, our AI product commercial video is ready. Before previewing, click on Upscale. You can upscale the video up to 4K resolution, select your desired resolution, upscale it, and now let's preview the final result. Using the exact same workflow, we repeated the process for another product. First, we uploaded the brand logo and used a prompt, and Lovart generated this Lovart Crunch product image, which already looks stunning. Next, we used Lovart's text edit feature and changed the product tagline to AI-powered crunch. You can see the updated result here. After that, we used the Edit Elements feature and entered this instruction, add more spices to the image. We ran the edit, and within a few seconds, Lovart delivered an updated image with richer, more dynamic spice elements, exactly as requested. Next, we selected the final product photograph using Touch Edit, entered a cinematic poster prompt, and hit Send. And within seconds, bingo! Here's an amazing Lovart Crunch poster. Once again, we clicked on the video generation feature, used Select from Canvas to choose the poster as the initial frame, pasted the video prompt, and hit Send. Within a few seconds, boom, our AI video commercial was ready. Before previewing, we upscaled it, and here's the final high-resolution result. Using the same method, we generated this video commercial as well. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up to Lovart using the link provided in the pinned comment and description and start creating stunning AI product images, posters, and viral video commercials using the exact workflow shown in this tutorial. All the prompts used in this video are linked in the pinned comment. If you watched till the end, don't forget to support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more practical AI tutorials like this. And if you want a part 2 of this viral AI video ads workflow with even more advanced and creative examples, drop a comment below and let us know. And if you're interested in creating viral AI animal train videos, a zero competition niche right now, you definitely don't want to miss the above video.